Hello, and welcome to this exciting video where we will reveal the secrets to achieving healthier, shinier, and more beautiful hair using natural ingredients that are easily available in your own kitchen. Have you ever wanted salon-quality hair without spending a lot of money? Well, today is your lucky day because we will be exploring two amazing do-it-yourself hair masks that will nourish, strengthen, and restore your hair to its full glory. Nature has provided us with everything we need to care for our hair. From dryness to frizz, breakage to dullness, different hair concerns require different solutions. By using simple, natural ingredients, you can bring life back to your hair without any harsh chemicals. In this video, I will guide you through 2 effective homemade hair masks that are easy to prepare, cost-effective, and most importantly, deliver amazing results. Before we get into the recipes, let us first take a moment to understand what our hair really needs. It is important to assess your hair type and identify its concerns. If your hair feels rough and dry, it is a sign that it needs deep hydration. If it lacks shine and appears lifeless, then it may need a natural boost. If you are experiencing hair breakage, your hair might be lacking essential nutrients that strengthen the strands. A simple way to check your hair type is by running your fingers through it. Ask yourself, does it feel brittle? Does it get oily very quickly? Does it break easily? Understanding your hair concerns will help you choose the right hair mask to restore its health and beauty. Now, let us get into our first hair mask, the Hydrating Honey Mask. This mask is perfect for anyone dealing with dry, frizzy, or dull hair. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps retain moisture in the hair, keeping it soft and smooth. It also has antibacterial properties that promote a healthy scalp, reducing any irritation or dandruff. For this mask, you will need the following ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. The coconut oil provides deep hydration, while the yogurt strengthens the hair and makes it smoother. Simply take all these ingredients and mix them together in a bowl until you get a smooth and even mixture. Once your mask is ready, start applying it evenly throughout your hair. Make sure you coat each strand properly from roots to tips. Gently massage your scalp while applying the mask, as this will help improve blood circulation and promote hair growth. After applying the mask, leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow all the nutrients to absorb into your hair. Finally, rinse it off with lukewarm water. You will immediately notice how soft and hydrated your hair feels after just one use. Moving on to our second hair mask, the Strengthening Avocado Mask. If your hair is weak and prone to breakage, this mask will provide the strength and nourishment it needs. Avocados are packed with essential vitamins, healthy fats, and proteins that help improve hair elasticity and prevent breakage. For this mask, you will need 1 ripe avocado, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The avocado is rich in vitamins A, D, and E, which nourish the hair deeply. The egg yolk is loaded with protein, which helps to strengthen hair strands. The olive oil adds moisture and makes the hair more manageable. Start by mashing the avocado in a bowl until it becomes a smooth paste. Then, add the egg yolk and olive oil and mix everything well. Once you have a well-blended mixture, apply it generously to your hair, focusing on the ends where breakage is most common. Let the mask sit for about 20 to 30 minutes so that the nutrients can deeply penetrate the hair shaft. Finally, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and enjoy the results. Your hair will feel stronger, healthier, and much more resilient. And there you have it. 2 simple yet highly effective do-it-yourself hair masks that can completely transform the look and feel of your hair. These natural solutions are not only affordable, but also free from harsh chemicals, making them a safe and healthy option for your hair care routine. I would love to hear from you. Which of these hair masks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, Do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from these natural hair care tips. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos on hair care, beauty, and wellness. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.